What's up guys, Zach in here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the XLeads dialer so you can go out here and start calling motivated sellers in XLeads step by step. One of the best parts about XLeads free unlimited skip tracing is you can use all those skip traces and go out here and call them using the XLeads dialer. So you can start attacking these leads, marketing, and getting deals right now. And most importantly, you can have these conversations with these sellers so you can go out here and get a check as soon as possible. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can reach out to these sellers with the multiple dialer options we have inside of XLeads, so you know exactly how to start calling and using the dialer inside of XLeads for cold calling. Now, first and foremost, again, you can use a free dialer. Google Voice is a free dialer, so you can take the XLeads data and put it in there. But for most people, you're going to be wanting to use the single line power dialer, which I'll show you how to use today, and then our triple line wave dialer. Now, the first question you're probably having is what type of dialer should I be using with XLeads? So you can use the free Google Voice dialer. You can use a third-party dialer like Mojo dialer. You can use the single line auto dialer that XLeads has, or the triple line dialer. But really, the best dialer for you to be using is the one that you actually physically use. You can literally have the fanciest system in the world, but if you're not calling, it doesn't matter at all. So inside of XLeads, you have three simple options. And the first one's Google Voice. So if you're super brand new, using like super niche government data, this might be a good option if you're very budget friendly. The second option, the single line dialer, which probably most people would be using, is the most economical option of any of the paid ones. And for most beginners, it's really easy to learn, which I'll show you in today's video. The third way, the triple line dialer, is for like bigger calling operations. So you can move through the leads faster and get them done quickly, or using VAs to do the calling for you. So number one, go to Google Voice. So you can go to googlevoice.com. So you can just look up Google Voice and start using it, and just start taking the free skip traces you get inside of XLeads with your subscription. Start putting it in the dialer and start calling and texting for free. It works actually really well if you're doing it on a lower scale basis. You're calling 30, 40 people a day. You even get a Google Voice extension to help you out with this. And why do you want to use it? Well, it's free. Because outside of that, you have to use a paid service, or you have to start paying for it. So again, you pay $97 for XLeads, but there are add-ons and things you can do inside of XLeads for your marketing. So for example, if we're going to go to the second option, which is our single line dialer or single line auto dialer, it does cost a little bit of money. So for example, you go here to XLeads.com and you look at the pricing sheet, you're going to find it's going to cost on average $1 per hour to use the dialer. Now, before you go say, oh my gosh, it's $1 per hour, that's ridiculous. It's almost $100 a month if I'm calling 100 hours a month. Not really. And this is where, again, this seems a little confusing, but it's way cheaper than that. XLeads by far is one of the cheapest dialers out there. It's $1 per hour, but not what you think. So let me explain. So if you were going to call, let's say 5 hours a day, which is a ton, right? 5 hours every single day for 5 days a week, that's going to be about 25 hours of calling every single week. And on average, that's about 100 every single month. So if it's $1 per hour, you're going to cost about $100 per month to go use that on top of your $97. That's what people think, but that's actually not the cost. You see, the real cost is $1 per connected minute. So if you're calling for 25 hours, you're probably like physically on the phone probably 5% of the time, because it's calling, click, no answer, click, no answer. Say 5% of the time you're actually on the phone. So do some math. On average, you're going to be every single week about 1 hour, maybe 1.25 hours every single week. So you multiply that by 5. You're probably like 8, maybe 10 hours at most on the phone. So for most people, let's say you want to double or triple that, maybe you're at 10%. Your dialer is going to cost anywhere between 20 and 30 bucks a month on average if you do a ton of calling. So that's why the single line auto dialer is the best economical choice for most people, because for like 40 bucks at most, you got an awesome dialer going out there. And if you're calling 5 hours a day, which most of you guys aren't doing, it's just the best option. Like, to drop more than 50 bucks per month on the single line auto dialer, like it's a lot of work. It's not easy to be going out here and doing that. So what I would probably tell you is most people, that's what you should be doing. Now, how do you go out here and start using this auto dialer? Like, it's really cheap and really easy. Well, to do this, first and foremost, you need to go out here and buy a phone number. So let's go through the step-by-step here. Step one, you're going to need to buy a number. Then you need to set the number up, which I'll show you how to configure it, set the number up. And then you're just going to tag a property. And number 4, get calling. Pretty simple. So let's go to the first part, buying a number. So right here, we're inside of XLeads.com, and all we're gonna do is just start going out here and calling. So you can click right here to start calling sellers right here from your phone number, which I'll show you how to do. But what we're gonna do is just go to settings right here on the bottom, press settings. Then we're gonna go out here to phone system. And right here, we start buying a phone number. So if you wanna go buy a phone number, you don't need any A2P or any of that stuff. You're gonna press add phone number, buy a phone number, and we want to choose the area code. So if we want to do the 901 area code, which is the area code for Memphis, Tennessee, we're going to press filters, go to any part of the number, search first part of the number right here, press 901, press apply. And you can use these numbers for texting, but texting is a different video. Just look up XLeads SMS on here. And all the 901 area code phone numbers right here you can purchase. So you can click this number right here. It's for $1.26 per month. You use this phone number. Now, sometimes it's higher or lower, but it costs about $1.26 for a phone number. Then when you buy a phone number, let's say you bought this 561 number right here, you literally click the ... and configure it. So edit configuration. And you can start going out here and change the name of the number, select which team members, which is probably just going to be you, set up your call recording, set up your mobile app, and just configure the phone number right there. You can do call forwarding, which basically means when you have the number, it gets forwarded to your personal cell phone. You can use your AI bots. I don't get too complicated on here. And you can go to advanced settings right here and do your call connect. Now, there's a couple settings on here too. I'd probably tell you to configure the right way. The phone number I see when receiving a call. So you have two options right here. So let's say I'm calling 1,000 code violations for the month. If someone calls that number back, it's going to get on my phone to reach back at me. It's going to reach back out to me. Now, it can either be the seller's phone number that I see on the caller ID, or it's going to be this exact number. Do I want the CRM's phone number or the seller's number? You're always going to want to choose the CRM's phone number. The reason for this is I'm going to take this number, I'm going to put it in my contacts on my iPhone and put, this is my cold calling number. So it's going to say call, call, call. It's going to say cold calling number. Okay, someone's calling because they got cold called. I kind of understand what's going on. I'm going to press, answer, right? I'm going to be like, well, Zach, how do I know who's calling or what's their number or any of their information? Well, it's pretty cool. You can just download our mobile app. So if you go back out here, you can actually download mobile app and get the Go High Level mobile app. Remember, XLeads is built on top of Go High Level. So you can literally download the app, and then all your calls, you can literally pop it up on your app and do it from there. You can even call from your phone. It's pretty cool. Literally just use the mobile app right there. It's pretty easy. Now we bought the number. We got it set up. How do you start calling? It's pretty simple. So obviously you're going to go pull a list on XLeads, maybe import some government data. We're going to go download this list or send it into the contacts tab. We're going to export it, put it in contacts. And when we go out here and import it into the contacts tab, we are going to tag the property. Now what tagging a property does, again, it's like a magical button where if you tag it, there's already an automation in place where if the property gets tagged, for example, power dialer, it's already going to be set up in the queue to be cold called. And what this basically means is if we're pulling the list, we import it into XLeads, the contacts tab, and we tag it power dialer, it's going to be automatically set up to be in the queue for the dialer. So if you want to go out here and tag it power dialer, all we're going to do is just go to conversations, manual actions, and all the properties set up to be called in the power dialer pop up right here. And you press let's start. And it's going to start calling with the phone number you bought as your default number. So right now, as you see live, we are calling, hello? We're calling Kenneth Brown. And I might be like, Zach, how do I know what his phone number is? I'm going to go down here under general info, and I have his address right here. So I'm going to ask him if he wants to sell his property on Alabama Street. Now, he might not answer the phone right here. As you can see, all of his info pops up right here, and he doesn't answer. So if he doesn't answer, we end the call. We can either put no answer, busy, completed, or go to the next one right there. And boom, we start calling the next person. So we're calling Felicia. I gotta know what her address is. Hey, looking to sell your property on Bamboff Street. Like, done. So this is not a live cold call video, so I'm just gonna end it right here. And just go down the line on the power dialer. So if you put 100 properties on the power dialer, it's gonna be right under there, under the conversations, manual actions tab, which would be conversations, manual actions right here. And they'll all be set right here to be called. And boom, you're ready to start calling. Now you can cold call leads individually under like the deal board or this Tanya Miller. And if I want to call her, I can literally just go inside the contacts tab and just press call. So call this number right here and boom, I'm calling her right here, which is pretty cool. You can go straight from the app or on your computer. You can do it on your phone with the app. Now, if you want to start doing a triple line auto dialer, you can literally just go to the wave dialer, just right here under wave dialer. And you start using the triple line auto dialer that you can purchase. So to do it, you just click on Wave Dialer, view the plans, and sign up for their $99, $149 plan for the triple line dialer. And then it'll get connected, and all you gotta do is go to contacts right here, filter out the leads that you want tagged under whatever tag you have, maybe Power Dialer. And then there should be a call with Wave Dialer. So you're gonna select all of them right here and say call with Wave, and boom, it'll set you up the way to go out here and get it called. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you start cold calling people with the XLeads dialer. Either Google Voice, the single line auto dialer, or the triple line dialer. If you want more of an in-depth tutorial, we have plenty of tutorials on side of XLeads.com or inside of freewholesaling.com on how to start calling sellers. Guys, if you're ready to start calling, go out here and use XLeads, the best wholesaling real estate software. If you got any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.